Video. In today's video I will show you how to display a toast message in React Native without any third-party library for the new architecture. Now I will be talking about native toast message. So native toast is only possible in Android. Of course you can display toast message on iOS as well, but you will have to create your own custom UI and use some sort of a timer or something to hide that toast after some seconds or milliseconds. But as far as I know, this thing is only available on Android. I'm not talking about custom UI for iOS. So this tutorial will be only for Android. So yeah, let's get started. So I have created a React Native application. I will show you guys the first output first. So once I click on the show toast message, you can see I'm displaying a toast message at the bottom. So all you have to do is create a new React Native application. Firstly, to enable the new architecture, you have to search for new arc enabled and make this as true. Next, go to your Android. So what you will have to do is, firstly I want to make sure that I am using Android Giraffe, which is the latest version of Android Studio. If you are not using Android Giraffe, then you will have to open the main Android folder in Android Studio and make sure you go to the settings, go to Gradle, and make sure you are at least using Java version level, provided you are using React Native 72. Okay, so I'm using latest of everything because it does gets a little complex if you are not keeping updated with all the latest software in React Native as well as Android Studio. Things can go pretty quickly out of hand. That's why I'm using latest. Next, if you are using Android Giraffe, the Android Studio Giraffe, then you don't have to worry about this. So all you have to do is create a new folder called RTN MyToast. Inside that, create a JS folder, create a native mytoast.ts, and here I have just copy pasted this from documentation. Only thing changed is this method name as well as this name has been changed. Next, create a package.json file. Again, this has been copied from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and package name has been changed. Everything else remains the same. Next, go create an Android folder. Inside that, create build.gradle file. Again, this has been copied from docs. Only thing changes this apply plugin Kotlin Android because I want to use Kotlin. Next, I have changed this namespace, and this is the extra thing which you have to add in React Native version 72 for Android. Otherwise it won't work. And here I'm using Kotlin standard 1.8.0. next, my toast module.kt. Here I have just copied this from docs. Only here what I am doing is I am changing the name over here, and here I have overriding our own method, and this is the exact code to display a toast. So you can change this text to whatever you want or send it as a prop from React Native to native side. I have already covered how to send prop from React Native to native side, so if you are interested you can watch one of my other videos. And this again is copied from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been, and package name has been updated. Once you are done with this, make sure you open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and then run this command. Once you run this, you will have to do cd ... so it will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this command. Here rn app is my project name, which you can see over here, so change it to whatever you have, as well as over here and here over here. And this is our folder name, so if you have named it differently, change that as well. Next, you will have to cd to your main Android folder on terminal, and before that what you have to do is go to build.gradle of the main Android folder, add this apply plugin Kotlin Android as well as implementation of Kotlin standard lib, and in this build.gradle you will have to add Kotlin version 1.8.0 as well as class path. Next, go to your terminal, go to this cd to your Android folder, main Android folder, and you will have to run this command. So this will do code generation for your Android folder. And now to use it, just go to app.tsx. you can import it something like this and just use a button, and here I'm just calling that particular show toast method. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.